This is why I am the way I am, because they don't listen. Why do you tell us to get out? I'm really happy, but oh my gosh, my neighbors can probably see me. Hold on for a second. But hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I am so freaking tired. I'm so sleepy. Like, I don't understand. Like, I was tired yesterday. I just knew I was gonna be able to like lay down and go to sleep. But like, I'll lay down and then I'm just laying there. Then I take the melatonin. I'll stay asleep with the melatonin or whatever, but it's just like, normally I don't have any problem like waking up or anything. I'm just tired. Honestly, maybe Vlogmas is catching up to me, but no, I don't think so. Because if I'm not editing a video, I'm watching TV or, you know, working out or something else. So it's like, it's not like, whatever, it's not Vlogmas. I'm just sleepy. It's just me. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm on my period too. If you guys understand, let me know. Because I know I can't be the only one. But I'm so sleepy. And I haven't had any coffee. I haven't had anything. And it's like 1 something. But I'm working. Me and Quan are gonna go buy like, well, for one, I'm hungry. I have leftover Chipotle that I'm gonna eat. But I need coffee. Or maybe we can go to GNC and get like one of those energy drinks. Or maybe I'll do that on Thursday. But yeah, and that's like, I was like, I'm gonna use these to hide the sleepiness if I can. I was trying to open my blinds so that the lines would like move out my face, but I didn't want to. Quan is gonna come with me to Dunkin' and 7-Eleven. I just want like some chips or something, or some candy or something. I don't know. I'm just sleepy and tired, and there's so much I want to talk about, but I'm not even going to say anything yet because it's like too soon to say something. But of course, I'll keep you guys updated. And no, I'm not trying to say I'm pregnant. Oh, duh, you already know that because I said I'm on my period. But anyways, I don't know. I'll let you guys know when we go. But yeah. Come on, boo. Come on.
Oh my, no. Go ahead, go.
I won't put you on the camera.
Go ahead.
Come on, I've already waited for you.
Go ahead.
I'm sleepy too.
You don't
I am sleepy, but I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I'm very sleepy. That's why I have these glasses on. Because my eyes are so puffy. I feel like crying. You ever so tired you feel like crying? That's where I'm at right now. I have like period cravings.
What's he going?
I'm just gonna Dunkin'. I think I need to go by GNC and then maybe 7-Eleven, which is back, so loop around. Come on, sugar honey. You need your socks?
Yeah.
We're all just waiting on you. Saying, just kidding. Where did I park? We're gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts and GNC. And maybe 7-Eleven. I'm not gonna drive with the camera. Unless you want to hold it for me. But you have to at least make sure they can see me, boo. Oh, well then here. Did you want a donut or anything?
No, I want some real food.
Oh, you want to go get... You want me to go somewhere? Can you like... What is it filming? You're holding it tight. It's all wobbly.
I'm about to put it down.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, can I have a small iced coffee with hazelnut and caramel swirl, cream with no sugar? And can I have 2 pumps of each?
Just said small iced coffee, cream, no sugar, caramel, and hazelnut, right?
Yeah, 2 pumps
Anything
each.
else?
Did you get that?
Yes.
The 2 pumps?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Why are you saying I was making sure we're clear. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Got a free coffee. Because you know, I come here every single day. Oh. See what I'm talking about? There's sugar in it. This is why I am the way I am, because they don't listen. People don't listen. And then she had to nerve to get irritated with me for asking her to repeat, and there's still sugar. This is why I taste my drink in the line. Not irritated, not irritated, not irritated.
I can help you.
Hi, I just ordered and I asked for no sugar, but there's sugar. So can I have a new drink?
Oh, you want the iced coffee, right?
Yeah, it was the hazelnut and caramel swirl, the 2 pumps cream with no sugar.
Oh.
Should I pull up?
Okay. This is the iced coffee, right?
Yes. Remember I said that it'll be sugar at the bottom and like you'll slurp it up and it's cane sugar? That's what it was, and that's why I checked my drink while I'm still in line. But normally I check it before I drive off. I drove off first a little bit, but then I just looped back around to the drive-thru. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Perfect. I think it was recording, but I've got my drinks. Wine shaved ice and Arctic White. Hi. How are you?
Alright, got a phone number with us?
Yes.
Do you want a bag or anything?
Please.
591. Do you want your receipt or anything?
Yes, you can put it in the bag. Thank you.
No problem. You got it?
Yep. My mask. Oh my gosh. Why didn't you say anything?
What? Oh.
Why didn't you tell us to get out? Oh my gosh.
You have a lovely day.
You too. Oh my goodness. Bill, and we're just lollygagging around. You forgot until I said something?
Yeah, I did too.
And she's chilling. At least, I mean, this is a lot. This is why I needed you to carry the camera. Oh my gosh. But she had her mask on. And there was literally nobody in the store. Like, we were the only ones in the store. What, did you find any proteins? Alright, y'all, we're about to get something to eat, and then I'll meet you guys at the house. I think, yeah, because that was a lot, but okay.
10 seconds later.
Sorry, y'all. I don't know if it was the glasses, my wig, I don't know what it is, but your girl got a little headache. But, Quan's trying to figure out what he wants to eat, and then... Oh, that's what I wanted to show you, because I was like, why did I pull the camera back out? But I know why. We were really in there without our mask on. Like, you put yours on? I was just... And then I think I even looked at her like, why are you looking at me crazy? But she didn't say anything. Anyways, but she had her mask on. But, so these are the drinks. So I got, this is the Alani Nu that I was telling y'all about. I'm so happy because I got one for tomorrow and one for Friday. It's only Tuesday. But these really work. So I'm going to take this with me to work tomorrow. And it's going to be so yummy. And they were just in the little refrigerated section. And then this is Hawaiian shaved ice. So freaking good. But y'all should look them up. They're really good. Quan's thinking about getting Denny's. What do you get? Breakfast food? There's McDonald's. There's Bonchon. There's Noodles and Company, Panera. Dang, that sucks you didn't get to try Genghis Grill before it moved. Is that Destiny? Is that Destiny?
Let me see.
No, that's not Destiny.
That's on screen, Destiny.
No, I was, but I don't think it is. Destiny, did you go to the Beauty Max? No, she's not going to Beauty Max. I think she's going to Ross. But I feel like you would wear a coat, Destiny. That's funny. Or Ross. Yeah, did you go to Ross? If not, tell me to stop creeping. But it's like, I wanted to be like, Destiny! But I didn't know if it was Destiny. Do y'all be people watching? Because I feel like this lady's people watching me.
The lady with the kids on it?
Yeah.
No.
What'd you see? Quan went to Subway the other day and then asked me if I wanted something, y'all. First he said he was going to McDonald's, and then he was like, he's going to Subway. Or no, he didn't tell me he was going to Subway. He just came back with a whole sandwich. What was up with that? Huh?
Talking about.
Is that? I thought it was my mom. I'm thinking I'm seeing everybody. Alright, I need to turn the camera on.
Try while you do.
Well, can you hold the camera for me?
Put it down.
Back home, guys. I am acting like I don't have nothing to do right now. Hold on. Just give me a second. Ooh, somebody got some packages. Today's just one of those days. Like, you know, you ever feel like, okay, so y'all know I've been on like this high, just so feeling good vibes, and I just feel like, you know how sometimes when you're just expressing how great things are going, hold on. So I've been expressing like how, like, you know, in a good mood I am, excited and all that stuff, and then it's like the enemy tries to like do little things to throw you off track, and I refuse. But today's just been one of them kind of days, but I refuse and I rebuke that, and going forward, it's gonna be a great afternoon, evening. Yeah, we're back home now. Quan ended up getting Wendy's, and I went to Dashin, and this is what I got. Gushers, because I love these. I wanted the sour ones, but he said they weren't in there. I don't want to like burn myself out, so I'm trying to like tell myself it's okay, like if there's a day that you can't upload for Vlogmas. So that's kind of where I'm at, and I don't really think it's Vlogmas that's making me tired, but I just need time to like just, you know what I mean? But I'm about to chill out. It's 3:39, so I'm off. I have like less than an hour left of work, and then I'm just gonna eat, chill, and edit this vlog for you guys. And if I didn't say it, happy Vlogmas Day 9. But yeah, did I say my name's Kayla? I'm sure I did, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just trying to like, I'm really happy, but I know you guys always know that like I'm in such a great mood, happy-go-lucky, but like I told you, I have my moments, and I'm not upset about anything or anything. I'm just like, you know, I'm just super chill. But that's where I'm at. Yeah, very chill vlog. And I had in mind that I was gonna like get up, do my face for you guys, and like film a video. I had like 2 or 3 videos in mind that I was gonna do. Well, one I did, and you saw that yesterday. But yeah, I just had other ideas, but I was like, today is just like I'm so tired, my eyes hurt, y'all. Like, I'm definitely gonna sleep early later. There's this drink that I wanna try that my coworker gave me, and it's like melatonin in a bottle, and I really wanna try it out. So maybe I'll do that tonight. But right now, like, I'm about to just chill out and stuff. I'm going to bed early because I'm not about to be feeling like this tomorrow when I have to go to the office. Yeah, guys, I hope everything is going well. I'm good. Don't worry. I'm just, you know. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow for day 10. Yeah, but okay. Love you.